Hi, I'm Arriyan. I'm a student, you're a student. I've got no money, you've got no money. No worries, because today we're going to be making a really healthy meal, potato wedges. Let's go. So, to be civilised, I've actually bought my own potatoes for this particular project. These are Maris Piper potatoes. Go down your local Tesco, £2, easy, bish bash bosh. So, I'm going to start cutting them up. If you're feeling psychopathic, you can have this big knife here. So open the bag and cut the potatoes. This is a small boy here. Pay attention in food tech, B-tech. They said it will benefit you. They said lies, mate. Don't need that shit. Boom! First potato, completed it, mate. Look at that boy. My superior has informed me I'm supposed to use the potato peeler for this. Big boy potato, calm. Less effective, I want to add. It's at times like this you may feel somewhat homesick, as you would, usually walk home. Your mum's got roast sorted for you there, and now you're a student, mate. It's not like that anymore. You got to come home, you got to survive. On your own. It's wild. Slipping out my hand. What are you doing? Right, it was a record time. Probably took me about 2 minutes to do that. Don't give a shit. Sorted it, mate. Here we go, boys. Let's freaking go. It's lit. Oh, this is way quicker. I rate this. As you can tell, I've peeled many a potato in my time. Fucking hell. Bloody hell. This thing's made of rock, mate. Fam, this is bare, what is this? Cool. I think that's pretty much peeled. Potato number 3. Completed it, mate. This is even quicker, mate. Right, I'm actually learning a lot doing this. You know what they always saying in school? If you want to learn something, teach it. I'm learning, you're learning. It's all good experience, mate. Who said you need to know how to cook to be on a cooking show, eh? Who told you that? Eh? I'm not supposed to say that. Are you supposed to hold it in your hand like this? I don't know, mate. It seems to be quicker if you do. My producer said that I'm actually too good at cutting these potato skins off, so I don't need to do it anymore. We're going for skin wedges. Get this boy out of the way. Might as well cut these into wedges first. Is that wrong? They're not wedges, are they? Fuck. And yeah, for the piece de resistance, my first potato that I cut, bam, done. That's how quick it is. It's important when making wedges to get a variety of shapes and sizes, because we're all inclusive on this cooking show, and we like to include, as I said, all shapes and sizes. Don't need to repeat myself, do I? Oh yeah, another thing. When you're doing this, make sure to wash your hands first, because I haven't. That's what the pan's looking like right now, mate. Anyway, put these boys behind me. So boom, once you've got your wedges in here, fill it up with water, put it on the hob, get the hob on, boil, sorted. That's probably enough water. Yeah, cool, okay. So you put this boil in here, turn it on, it's on. I don't know what that means. And it's on. And it's done. About 4. And you're gonna want to do this for about approximately 8 minutes, something like that. Once it's boiling, yeah. I knew that. So you may need to stir your wedges. And luckily for me, I have a wooden spoon. If you can't afford it, just use your hands. It's fine. But you just want to get right in there. And give it a good mix, Never seen wedges so wet before. That's gonna be a feast, mate. Might even just try a bit now, mate. Look, I can't wait. It tastes pretty good, mate. I'm debating not even cooking them, man. I'm just eating them as they are, mate. And then you wait for that to boil. Oh hi, welcome back. So it's been about 8 minutes now. My wedges are sufficiently boiled. So it's time to drain out that water. Man like sieve, man like pan. Rodding. Look at that. Boom. So these go in here. Now, spread them out a bit. Spread them out. Boom. Okay. Right. And then?
No.
No? Oh, alright. Not extra virgin. No worries. Stick that oil on your wedges. Oh, I see the, yeah. And then, after the oil, you're gonna need some salt and some pepper. Is there not a way to like, you have to just pour it? The quantity of both of these, no, all three of these actually, are all completely, you know, you're an independent person, you decide how much you want. I'm not the boss of you. Then you want to mix that up all nicely like this. Mix that all in there like a nice boy. And then we're gonna need, you guessed it, bit more salt and pepper. Give that one last mix, just like this. Or like that. Okay, and now it's time. No, I think I'm gonna sneeze. False alarm, boys and girls, false alarm, no sneeze here. Now it's time to put it in the oven. The oven's not on, and I'm gonna turn it on. You wanna go for about 200 centigrade? Sounds about good. Stick the boy in the boy, and then you wait. So it's been about half an hour now, and it's time to take out the wedges from the oven. Oh, look what we have here. Nice. So anyway, yeah, I think these are looking pretty good, you know, they're looking pretty tasty. Might have to have a quick cheeky try, you know. Okay, don't try it straight after. Ooh. Well, yeah, that's too hot. Just, you get the picture. So that basically is how you turn this into this. It's very easy, boys and girls. Very, very easy process. I know there's a lot of pepper on that. Hey, bish bash bosh, complete it, mate. Right, you can add a bit of ketchup to that if you want. I am, because I like ketchup. Boom, put it on the side, easy peasy. Nice nutritious meal for you after your lectures, after going out, after doing both at the same time. You never know, I don't know what you guys get up to, I'm not God. But anyway, that's how you make my student potato wedges. Hope you have a nice day.